If you're using a digital recorder to upload to SpeechLive, then it's really simple. Just use Chrome to open up the SpeechLive.com portal. Click Login. At the moment there are no dictations, but you would just normally log in with your credentials. Please now plug in your digital recorder. In this case I'm using a SpeechAir. You should hear your device being activated through Windows. Once plugged in, I hit the upload button. It's asking me to choose files. As I said, in this instance I'm browsing to the SpeechAir folder. I'm clicking Android, I'm clicking Data, com.speech, into Files, into Dictations, highlight the file, click Upload. There is the file ready for transcription.